Now we're looking at binary numbers. So convert 105 base 10 to a binary number. When you say convert to a binary number, it simply means convert to base 2. So bi is 2, bi is 2. So binary number, just know that it's base 2 we're converting into. So to convert base 10 to base 2, we're going to use that kind of like LCM format. They're not really LCM, it's that style of LCM. So we have 2, 105. Now as usual, 105 divided by 2 is 52. We're going to have a remainder of 1. By now I'm sure you should be able to do this remainder. So we have again 52 divided by 2, that's 26, remainder 0. Again 2 divided by 26, that's 13, remainder 0. 2 divided by 13, that's 6, remainder 1. 2 divided by 6, that's 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, that will give us 1, remainder 1. So 1 divided by 2 will give us 0, remainder the same 1. So therefore our final answer would be 1101001 base 2. So we've converted from base 10 to base 2. Now convert from base 2 to base 10. So to convert from base 2 to base 10, I'm going to take that as this A 100112, which is equal to this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, which is equal to 1 times 2 raised to power 5 will give us 32 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 4, 16, 0 times 2 raised to power 3, 8, 1 times 2 raised to power 2, 4, 1 times 2 raised to power 1, 2, 1 times 2 raised to power 0, 1, 1 times 32, 32, 0 times 16, 0, 0 times 8, 0, 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 1, 1. Adding everything together, we're going to arrive at 38 base 10. So we've solved for base 10 for this A. Now the B part said we should convert this number to base 8. So let's assume we are not giving this A as a problem. Even if just assume as if this question is not there, this A is not there, there is only this B, and we are given a number like this from base 2 to base 8. The first step that you must first convert it to base 10, even if they didn't tell you. So first convert to base 10. So it's from that base 10 you can then convert to base 8. So since we've already converted to base 10, which is this, so you can just use this answer direct to solve for this B part. So from here we're going to convert 38 base 10 to base 8. Okay, so now 38 divided by 8, that will give us 4 remainder 7. 4 remainder 7. Remember, 38 divided by 8. This one, if you use your calculator, it will give you 4.75. So we'll take this 4, that's this 4 here. So we're going to say 8 times 4. 8 times 4 will give us 32. So 38 minus 32. Okay. So 38 minus 32 will give us 6. Sorry, it's supposed to be 6. Okay. So now we have 8 again. So 4 divided by 8, it will be 0. Because this one is already lower than this 8. So 0 remainder. Then we'll write the same number that is here, which is 4. Okay. So moving our final answer upward, our final answer here will be 4, 6, base 8. So we've converted it from base 10 to base 10 here to base 8. So let's solve this last problem. Find the value of 1012 base 2 raised power 3 in base 2. Okay, 101 base 2 raised power 3 in base 2. First of all, we need to get the base 10 of this. That is 101 base 2 equal to 012. That is 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised power 0, which is equal to 1 times 2 times 2, 4. 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. 2 raised power 0 is 1. So here will be 1 plus 0 plus 1, which will give us 5 base 10. Okay, so since we've gotten 5 base 10, so this 5 whenever it is base 10, just like normal number. So now remember, we have raised power 3 here. That is, the question was 101 base 2 bracket raised power 3. So now we have 5 base 10 will be bracket raised power 3. That is 5 times 5 times 5, which will give us 125 base 10. So we need to convert this one then now to base 2, because the problem said let's leave it in base 2, our final answer. So we have to convert this base 10 to base 2. We're going to use this approach again. So 2125. Okay, so 125 divided by 2 will give us 62. 62 remainder, let me see, 125 divided by 2 gives us 62.5. so 62 times 2 gives us 124. So 125 minus 124 give us 1, so remainder 1. So 2 again, 2 in 62, that's 31, remainder 0. 2 in 31, 2 in 31, that's 15, remainder 1. 2 in 15, that's 7, remainder 1. 2 in 7, that's 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3, that's 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1, that's 0. You can see this one is lower than this, 0 remainder this one. So our final answer will then be 1 1 1 1. So that is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. So this is our final answer. So